Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego City Arctic and it's Lego set 60191 and it's the Arctic starter set with a snowmobile. Is the full set. You get this beautiful husky and you get 3 minifigures with this and this beautiful snow cave where they dig for relics in the snow. And as you can see, you get this beautiful snowmobile with a trailer and this container on it. See, this is what Lego City Set 60191 looks like. And you get 3 minifigures with this. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.